If you are failing to hit your goals year after year, then watch this video because you can set yourself up for success this year, 2023, with your goals with ease. And all you need is these three strategies. Chances are that you have done one or two of these strategies, but not all three of it simultaneously, which is why you are here year after year, not achieving the goals that you have set. And if you are watching this video, my assumption, my sense is that you are really motivated to achieve your goals. Like you are very driven. You are excited to share your gifts in the world. And you are still hitting that snag year after year. And here's how you can shift that by following these three strategies. My name is Padma Ali, and I help people like you who are spiritually evolved to activate your spiritual gifts so that you can monetize your purpose and show up in this lifetime, live your purpose, and also activate your spiritual gifts and grow spiritually. You can do both of that simultaneously. Follow me on subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos like these and help activate your spiritual gifts. So in this video, we're going to be talking about these three strategies that you can, when you utilize them, you will achieve all your goals very quickly. Well, number one, clarity. Clarity is one of the biggest things that most people think that they have, but they actually don't. Are you super clear on your goals? Are you aiming for beyond your wildest dreams, or are you keeping yourself stuck here? Most likely, you are doing what 90% of the people do. What is it that they do? They aim for the glass ceiling. What does that even mean? Say you're making $100,000 a year. Chances are you're going to be like, I can do $120,000 this next year. Okay, so 2022, you've achieved $100,000. You're like, okay, I can go to 120. I can do 130 this year. That's doable. But are you aiming for beyond your wildest dreams? Why is that important? Because your brain is going to follow your emotions, your thoughts, and your actions. If you have just aimed for the glass ceiling, your brain's going to be like, I can do that and only aim towards that. It's not going to allow you to tap into the margin of magic, which is where the spiritual gifts come in. When you access your spiritual gifts, you can go beyond your wildest dreams. So the first step for you is to have clarity. Get clarity on what is it that your wildest dreams are. What is it that your soul is seeking in this lifetime? Not just this 1 year, not just for the next 3 years. Forget the 3-year goals, forget the 5-year goals. Think about long-term as though it's already happening right now. With your spiritual gifts activated, you can get to those gifts, your goals quickly, easily, with ease. And most people work super hard towards their goals, get dejected, don't feel like they are making progress, and then it starts to make the spiral happen. And this is where mindset comes in. Mindset is really important in this next phase of goal creation. You know, the famous words that say, if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. That is exactly how our brains work. I'm going to talk about this from two different places. One is from a brain perspective. Your brain is very smart. It's a computer chip. It's like a computer chip. It follows whatever it is that you direct it to do. Okay. So if there's a part of you, even a tiny part of you that says, yeah, this is possible, but may not be for me. I don't know how I can do this. Is it even possible? Then your brain's going to be like, it's a computer. It's like a computer chip. It's going to be like, no, you can't. All right, let's put that aside. Say you're like, I can do this. It's absolutely, I can go after my wildest dreams. Okay. But there's a part of you that doesn't fully get on board with that, or questions it, or has doubts, or feels like it's not happening fast enough, guess what? That thought, that feeling, even though it is this small, is actually very potent, because the energy behind those negative limiting beliefs is much stronger than the part of you that believes that you can. So your mindset is really important. What exactly is mindset? Mindset is nothing but the beliefs, which I'm going to be covering in another video, on the top 10 beliefs that you must activate within your system so that you can go after whatever it is that you have dreamed of. Okay. So the beliefs are nothing but your mindset is nothing but the beliefs that you're unconsciously carrying. If you're not getting to your goals year after year, chances are that you haven't fully gotten all your mindset in the right place. Your mindset is super important. So look at the different aspects of your life that you are wanting to create. This is where balance comes in. It's not just about your career. It's not just about your money. It's not just about relationship. Having a balance with all of them is what is going to allow you to create anything and everything that you desire. All right. So getting your mindset on board would look like this: looking at each aspect of your life, looking at, are you where you want to be? And if you're not, what is truly holding you back? That is where you uncover the mindset that is stopping you from getting to where you want to go. Number 3 strategy to help you get to your 2023 goals with ease. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? This is really, really important. Okay. This is leaving the past behind. So many of you set your goals based on past experiences. I could do it back then. I couldn't do it back then. So I don't know if I can do it now. This is where most people falter, because they are bringing the past to the present. I couldn't do it back then, so I cannot do it now. I didn't do it back then, so I don't know if it's going to be achievable. This is how you start spinning, and this is how you burn and crash your goals even before they take off. And then before you know, you're watching TV or you're whiling away your time, not realizing that every step that you don't take towards your goal is going to pull you back. Okay. Or you give yourself excuses saying, I couldn't do it then. I don't think I can do it now. So let me just stay complacent with where I am at. You have to have the dedication towards what you want to get towards in this year. Dedication is super important. And that will come with letting your past go. No matter what happened, even yesterday, doesn't matter. Let it go so that you can really go after what is it that you desire. All right. So the 3 most important pieces are clarity, getting your mindset on board, and the 3rd piece is leaving the past behind. Let the past go. Let it go completely so that you can truly, truly be on board with what you're creating now. All right. So that is where you want to start. Subscribe to the channel so you can have access to more videos like this, especially on spirituality, on allowing your brain to work with you, not against you, and also tapping into your inner wisdom, your own intuition, so that you can create anything and everything you desire in this lifetime. My name is Padma Ali from padmaali.com, and I will see you on another video. Make sure you subscribe.